The data repository allows you to quickly access your map data and add it to your map. Map data can come from your computer or what we have available online for you. Now, if you don't see the data repository, you can always get to it by either clicking on the data repository button here on the right hand side, or you can click on Open Data Repository here in the Home tab. Now, if you want to change where the data repository appears in the editor, you can just click and drag the window here, and you can dock it to one of the 4 sides of the editor, or you can just let it hang here in floating form. Right now, I'm just going ahead and dock it to the right hand side. Now, when you look at the data repository, you'll see there are 4 main directories. We have base maps, your local data folders, and cloud layers, and third-party layers. Now, your base maps, these are maps that are tiled images and delivered over the internet to kind of form this map here that you see on the screen. And by default, whenever you open the GIS editor, it will load the World Map Kit base map, and you can change this in the options menu to open the OpenStreetMap, Bing Maps, or none of these if you like. So next is data folders. These are folders that are stored in your computer, and you can attach folders to the data repository and to allow you to quickly access whatever map data that may be in those folders. When you install the GIS editor, the sample data folder that comes with the editor will automatically be connected to the data repository, and you can add data folders by right-clicking and add new data folder, or you can click on add data up on the top left of the data repository window. Next we have cloud layers. Cloud layers are pre-rendered map data that's delivered over the internet, similar to how base maps work. But this map data, it's all public domain, and it can be used through for any projects that you may be working with. We have data from National Atlas, Natural Earth, and such. Next we have third-party layers. Third-party layers are pre-rendered map data just like cloud layers are, but they are all owned by third-party companies and may require you to sign up or have additional fees required to access more of the data from them. Currently, right now, we have Boundary Solutions. They have a whole bunch of parcel information across the United States, and by default, you have the ability to access parcel data from Frisco, Texas. Now, you can search your data folders and your cloud layers, what have you, any of the directories, for any of the files that you're looking for. So we'll go ahead and select the cloud layer directory, and we'll search for Texas, and press enter. And this will display all of the cloud layer map data that has the word Texas in it. And we can add any cloud layer or map data that you may have in your data repository by clicking and dragging the file to your map, or you can right-click and place on map, or probably the most easiest is double-clicking on the file, and it will just go ahead and automatically load that. And each file that you load in to the editor will automatically pop in a new layer in the layer list here. Alright, that's pretty much it for the data repository. If you want more information, you can always check out our wiki, and I hope this kind of gives you a good insight of how the data repositories can help you out here. Thank you.